We're the R&B Cadets with bated breath. She's waiting.